So after you install TubeBuddy, you can get a lot of interesting statistics for any video. Let's go ahead and take a look at video analytics that is provided by TubeBuddy. So on the top over here, you can see that it says total views, which is 4,500, number of comments, which is 45, how many thumbs up, thumbs down, and this is the same stats that is provided on the bottom as well. The most interesting part is the SEO over here. It says 13 of 20 suggested videos are from this creator. This video tags appear 13 times in title and description. That is very important. Now it also shows you how many likes you have from Facebook, upvotes, and mentions from Twitter. It gives you more information about the channel itself, how many subscribers this channel actually has, which is 1.2 million, how many videos it has in the channel, which is over 4,000, and best practices. High resolution thumbnail, if it has info cards added and seen, and all other kind of goodies, and it shows you if it was added to this video. The most important part that TubeBuddy actually does, it gathers all the different kind of keywords for this video. So you can actually potentially use those keywords in case you want to look and find something for that. So for example, you press on the keyword right here, Legos, and you can see how it scrolls by itself, and TubeBuddy gives you all this information right here. If you go ahead and subscribe to TubeBuddy and upgrade, it's going to give you a lot more information than just this. When you press on results, it shows you versus my channel. You can press on trending and it gives you so much more information right here as well, what is trending with this keyword. Historical, which gives you the historical amount of people searching for this keyword over time. So if you want to look for other keywords right here, all you have to do is to type in Lego Star Wars, explore it right here, and if you upgrade, you will get all the results for the different keywords. Upgrading now is something that I do suggest for you to do if you want to go professional. And if you do go professional, you get a lot more accessibility and extra features over here. So the free version gives you some of them, but if you pay in a professional version, you get even more of them, such as video planner, thumbnail generator, playlist action, and so much more extra features that makes it so much easier for you to do YouTube professionally. This is a lot of features that you get, all extras. But even the free version gives you a lot of good access for you as well. Let's go back over here and take a look. So for example, if I wanted to do a video about Lego Ninjago market, this is the video I want to actually do here. Let's go ahead and copy this down, go into the search, press on paste, delete everything except the keyword of the item I want to do a review on. Press on search. It's going to show me the first videos that are showing up in the ranking, and you can see right on this side here, TubeBuddy gives you extra features right here, such as the most used tags, just a few of them because I'm not a paying member, related searches, which is 2 of them as well. And it only shows me 3 out of 269 total results. So if I upgraded it, I would have seen every single one of those results for the most used tags. And it's going to definitely shortcut when I'm creating a video. So the way right now I'm going to go about is to find the keywords for the video I want to do. So press on right here. This is the video that I think I want to use the keywords from. And as I press on it, right on the side, it says all the different tags. All you have to do is to press on copy. And you have all of them right here, all the different keywords he is using. Press on copy to clipboard. And now what you have to do next is just create your own video, and you can just paste it in the video screen. So how do we paste it? Simply go to your channel. And next thing, I'm going to go into YouTube Studio. And after I'm going to go into here going into the different videos that I have up right now, picking just any of my videos. Now, usually you have to pick the video that you created based on this topic, but I'm just going to be showing you a random example over here, add a title and description. And now when we're going to go all the way down where it says tags, this is where we have to go ahead and copy and paste the video that we're going to be using. So let's go ahead and delete them all and just go ahead and press on paste. And now we have all the different tags that are being used. And then what you have to do next is just delete the incorrect tags. Some of them is going to be tags specifically for that channel. So I don't see anything specific for this channel, which is good. So what I'm going to be doing is just deleting some of those tags to make it look like this is my tags, and then adding my own keywords instead. The way you go ahead and use your own keywords is simply by going through a bunch of different videos from different creators, pressing on them, seeing the different keywords that they are actually using, and taking some of them from each one of those channels and picking the best of those keywords. So simply just taking and writing them down would be probably the ideal thing to do. Other than that, you can just copy and paste and keep on adding to your list. Of course, if I had TubeBuddy installed, I wouldn't have to do that because it will give me all those analytics and it will shortcut everything for me.